guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about today's video because we're going to be doing an unplugged book box unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing on this channel in what feels like a really long time. I used to do them all the time. But while I was away at college, I just stopped getting all of the boxes that I used to get because bringing in constant new stuff into a tiny little dorm room just didn't really work out very well. But I've missed them. I don't know about you. I love getting mail, so I just feel like you don't get like exciting mail anymore. It's just always like bills and things you don't want. So when you have something show up in the mail that you're like actually really excited about each month, it's just this little thing that you can look forward to. If you don't know anything about Unplugged, they are a book box and a self-care hybrid, which are two of my favorite things. You guys know I'm all about the self-care and I love books, obviously. So this box seemed like the absolute perfect one for me. Unplugged kindly sent this to me for review and I'm really excited about it. I'll have all of the info for them linked down below in the description if you want to go check them out. The theme for June was the summer solstice box. I'm sorry if the lighting in this video doesn't look great. This is not the time that I usually film, but I just got this in the mail and I was gonna try and hold off and do this tomorrow, but I was really excited and impatient and I wanted to open it, so we're filming this now. So yeah, let's just get straight into the box. So I'm editing this right now and I realized that I forgot to say that I got the YA box. They have two options. They have the adult box and the YA box. So when you open it up, the first thing you see is the spoiler card, the summer solstice box, create your own sunshine. And I'm not gonna look on those spoilers on the back, but it looks like they have pretty detailed explanations of everything, which is actually kind of nice because whenever I used to get book boxes, I like never knew what book things were from unless it was like an obviously popular series. So having an explanation would be nice for me. And this is really cute. The whole thing is wrapped in tissue paper with a little gold heart. So the first thing I'm seeing is a sugar scrub. Okay, so this is based off of a character from Carry On by Rainbow Rowell. I haven't read that book. It's based off of baths. I love sugar scrubs. But the most important thing is, how does it smell? That smells so good. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Lush and gotten the lip scrub. It smells like the bubblegum one. It's not bubblegum flavored. It's supposed to be pomegranate and sass. I love that. This smells amazing. The second thing I'm seeing is some tea. Oh, this is based off of Ronan from the Raven Boys. All about that. So this is supposed to be forest berry and flowers, and it's a decaf tea, which is nice because I go a little too hard on the caffeine. I want to smell it. Ooh, you can definitely smell the berries. It smells like blueberry. I love tea, so I'm very excited to use this for sure. Cute. Me again. I don't know how I didn't realize this in the moment. I like kind of did, but like not to the extent that it happened. I say cute so many freaking times in this video and it's really annoying even to me, so I'm sorry. Let's just make it a drinking game and take a shot every time I say the word cute if you want to die. All right, what else we have next in this cute little blue bag? It's called Love is Love is Love. Love that. And this is a shower steamer. What does that mean? What is a shower steamer? It looks like a chocolate, but I'm probably not supposed to eat it. See, look, it's in this like foil wrapping like a chocolate. This is confusing for me. Okay, so when you take a shower, you place this on the floor in front of you, and I guess it like supposed to clear your sinuses or something. Is this like a commonly used thing? I have never heard of this before, but I am intrigued, especially with my allergies. Like, heck yeah. I don't know, but I'm gonna use that. That's exciting. The next thing I'm seeing is this cute little pouch that says Shine Bright. I can always use new bags, honestly. I could put like my travel size makeup in here and like take that on the go. That would be perfect. What is this from? I don't know if this is from a book or if it just goes with the theme. This is really cute. It's a card and on one side it has a music playlist with all of these recommendations. Oh, this is cool. So it has like a code that you can just straight up scan and it'll take you to the playlist on Spotify. Oh, I love this. You know, I'm all about the music. It's like a playlist of theme songs to go with the book. Oh, I love that. Okay. Then on the other side is a recipe for a smoothie, and this is based off of the book Simon versus the Homo sapiens Agenda, another book that I haven't read actually, but this is apparently something in the book and it's an Oreo smoothie recipe. Oh, the health and fitness nerd in me is loving this. They have all of the ingredients. It's a vegan smoothie, all about that, and it has like the macros there for you to. Oh, this is great. Oh, I love this. I'm definitely gonna make that. Sounds delicious. Apparently, oh, I missed this too. There's like little things describing the things in here. So it tells you the ingredients of the sugar scrub and it specifies that it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. I love that. Okay, I think we're down to the book now. Oh no, I missed something. Okay, we got something tiny. Everything is so cutely wrapped. This must have taken so long. Oh, it's a pin. Oh, this is cute. I need a card to tell me what it is. Okay, so this is an enamel pin. Oh, and this is from Sailor Moon. How cute. Oh, this feels like a really like good quality one too. I like it. And then the last thing I see before we get to the book is a card that reveals the July theme, which is stars are only visible in darkness. That's very interesting. Okay, now let's get to the book. This is also like individually wrapped like a present. How cute. I love that everything's blue too. It's my favorite color. I have no guesses. Like I have absolutely no idea what the book is gonna be. Ooh, look at this book. It's so pretty. It's called Like a Love Story. Oh, cute. I think I've said cute like 10 times in this video, sorry. There's a little signed nameplate, and then there's a letter from the author. The book you hold in your hands is the story I have been wanting to tell since I was a teenager myself. It's a deeply personal story about the power of love in the face of shame, fear, and injustice. Riza, Judy, and Art have lived inside me for so long, and now I share them with you with all of my heart and soul. That's so cute. So it's set in 1989 in New York City, and it follows 3 teenagers. Riza is an Iranian boy who just moved to the city with his mother. He's terrified that someone will guess the truth, and he can barely acknowledge it himself. He knows he's gay, but all he knows of gay life are the media's image of men dying of AIDS. Then Judy is an aspiring fashion designer who worships her uncle, who is a gay man with AIDS who devotes his time to activism. Jody has never imagined finding romance until she falls for Riza and they start dating. And then Art is Judy's best friend, her school's only out and proud teen. He'll never be who his conservative parents want him to be, so he rebels by documenting the AIDS crisis through his photographs. Oh, this sounds so freaking good. Oh my god, and this is perfect for Pride Month. I've been trying to find some good Pride books. Super excited for this. I have never heard of this before, but it sounds so good and so unique. Let me know down in the comments if you'd already heard of this book and if it was like on your TBR or something, because I have never heard of it, but it sounds so good. So yeah, that was everything in the box. Thank you again so much, Unplugged, for sending me your June box. I love it. This is so cute. And the thing with book boxes is I love getting them, but there's always like a couple of items in them that I will like never use, and I just feel super wasteful. But everything in here I'm so excited about, and I will 100% be using. So like I said, I'll have all of their info down below in the description if you want to go check them out, and I'll keep you updated on the shower steamer. I don't know why I'm so fascinated by this. I have never heard of this before, but I'm very excited to try this sugar scrub and the tea. I'm gonna have to have myself like a self-care night. I'm gonna start that book, I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea, I'm gonna have a nice shower with my shower steamer and my sugar scrub. Oh, it's gonna be a whole night. I'm so excited. The only thing that would make this better is if there were a face mask, but I can find my own. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to follow me on any of my social media, all of those links are down below in the description. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I put up at least 2 new videos every single week, usually on Thursday and Sunday. And I will just see you guys in my next video very, very soon. Bye.
So hit me. So hit me. So hit me. First a confession. With you, I feel a connection. With you, it's